One, second verse, let's go. Behind the mic, keep the door. Ready? Okay, listen. Just in mic 1, 2, DJ put me through. Yet another freestyle, and I'm ripping through. Me and the mic keep sticking like super glue. Wondering how I kept it going, no clue. They call me Facebook, cause I'm looking all blue. And my punchlines are sicker than the best flu. Try me, I'll knock you out. Kung Fu, my rap grow past old stories in the Bella. I kill the beat, so call me the beat killer. But if you off the beats, I go do a cappella. Hey, I'm on the mic blowing it like Vuvuzela. Charlie have a seat and listen to the storyteller. I feel testy, so give me Muscatella. Hey, somebody help, cause the mic is on fire. I skinny in the building, I never did retire. If the sky be my limit, then I'll keep going higher. Hey, I flow like menses. When my rap go fi carry you out of your senses. Who go fi stand my punches? Charlie, nobody go fit, not even the evil forces. So you when you be apprentice, make you no try me, you go end up in crutches. I dey rap 1,000 pages, and I fear nobody except the Rock of Ages. Behind the mic, to the dawn, you already. Now, listen, this is okay. Now, somebody they first challenge you for appreciate. You know one do, see how your flow they depreciate. Me and your type no go fit to associate. Cause we be small seed, wait till you germinate. I guess some speed where you no go fit to eliminate. I guess some shine where you no go fit to terminate. Cause I be elevated like I be high grade. I look sharp cause my eyeballs get blade. I'm always on my grind, so my memory no go fade. I'm trying to be real, so I call a spade a spade. Call me Eminem, yes, cause I'm not afraid. I'm physically fit, I know he a first age. I know be young money, but still, I'm so paid. God see many things at the time of creation. 1:2:3, proportion. I did number 1, where the rap be my portion. So if I dey follow you for pay me attention. All the fake rappers, they for the take caution. Cause I dey come plus furious invasion. I dey follow simple, no need for explanation. Believe in the quality, no imitation. Me I beginners, I dey reach for greatness. If I be star, then experience my brightness. I be the only light shining in your darkness. Where I get rap case, who go be my weakness? Music they invade my blood like an illness. It be my strength, you know, be my weakness. Believe it or not, beat killing be my business. And I stand proud like glow. I follow you like MTN everywhere you go. Expressing myself loud and clear like Tigo. That be one reason you know one make I go. I'm the dopest MC. Who else where you know go fit kill instrumentals 5 in a row. I don't be a same way you go fit give me blow. Kwa okese go de talk kill a beola show. One, behind the mic is the dawn ready. Here we go. Rapping hard like I never did. Keeping it real, not even need a record deal. I let the few lessons here, so I shoot to kill. See my words don't break, they hard like steel. King of dope, I skinny, I'm so success bound. I ain't searching, but nigga, look what I found. I'm not in the palace, but they gave me the crown, so unique. The reason why you see me and frown. A lot of niggas wish I was dead and gone. They're trying to pull me out, but I'm keeping it on. I'm all about changes, to packs a call. So I keep banging to the trumpet score. This track is off the hook and it's really gonna sell. For how long? Man, I can't really tell. But surely it's gonna leave you with a story to tell. Too many bars, I can put a whole prison. Why should I stop rapping? Just give me one reason. There's nothing you can figure, you just trying to cool my vision. But right now, I am so addicted. Not even a full stop can stop me. Get it in your thick head, my flow can define me. The future looks bright, so my past remains behind me. One, it's your boy Ice Skinny, and I'm out like that. One.